Good morning, children. Welcome back to your English class. You had finished lesson number 1, Science Blue Hat, in your English book. Today, we will start the second chapter. It's raining. As soon as you read the heading, what do you feel? How do you feel? Or what do you think, children? It's raining means rain is coming outside. So the weather will be very cool. And you love to sit and have hot or spicy snacks in the evening when it is raining, isn't it? So how do you get rain? That is what we are going to learn now in your book. Open your book, page number 11. You can see the heading as lesson number 2, it's raining. Here, children, you can see a picture of a boy who is snowing there, isn't it? Next one, it's raining, and here you have hail stains, rain with hail stains. You have to match the words with the picture. Hailing. Hailing means small stones of ice falling along with the rain. That is called as hailing. So this is hailing, and next one, it is raining here, this picture. Snowing is here. All these three. Here snowing. In India, you can find in Shimla, Darjeeling, in north part of the India. Not in the south part of the India where we are located. Okay. We get rain and sometimes we get hailstones also. So here we'll start reading. Before reading the lesson, we shall learn few meanings of the hard words in this lesson. Already I have written on the board. First one, meaning drip drop. What do you mean by drip drop? Drip drop means sound of small raindrops. You can hear the sound drip, 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 drip like that when it is raining outside. When it is raining continuously, you can hear. So that is the sound of the water which is coming down continuously. Next one, vapor. What is vapor, children? Small drops of water in the air which you cannot see. Small drops of water will be there in the air which you cannot see with your naked eyes. Okay. Gushes. Gushes. Flows quickly. Very quickly the water or any liquid material which comes out suddenly is called as gushes. Next one, spout. What is it? Spout. Pipe or tube of a container. It is a pipe or a tube, or you can also call as an teapot. You have a pipe like spout, no? So container means vessel. Okay, that is called as spout. Regions means areas. Frozen means turned into ice. This is what it says, children. Next, children, drip drop falls the rain, it wets the land, it makes puddles on the ground. As I have told you, rain, when it rains, drip drop, the sound will be coming continuously, and it is going to wet the land. And puddles means making small holes on the land is called as the puddles. When it rains, you can see puddles on the ground. And you know from where the water comes? It comes from the sky. So how does it come? How does the water come from the sky? To know this, we shall go on reading the lesson. Turn your page number 12. Okay. So when the sun is very hot, it warms the earth, and the heat of the sun changes water into water vapor. There is always water vapor in the air, children, which we cannot see it. We can see the water drop or water vapor into a water drop only when it changes back into water vapor, only when it changes back into water drop. Example 1. The air what we breathe out is very warm, and when the environment or the climate is very cold, what happens when we are talking or breathing, some air-like content comes out. So it comes out, then you can see small drops of water in the air, and it will be like a little cloud coming out from your mouth. This happens in Ooty. When you go to Ooty, early morning when you get up, when you are talking, little smoke will be coming out. A cloud-like smoke will be coming out. So as the weather is very cold, when we breathe out or when we talk, when the air comes out, it makes it into a cloud, and that is what happens there. Next example, when we heat water on a kettle or in a vessel or something like that, or in a cooker, you can see the water turning into the steam, and the steam turns into gas, and then you can see the water vapor there. And the same water vapor, when it cools down, you can find small drops of water on the plate or on the cooker handle or any other vessel which you see. Next, we move on to the page number 13. Okay, page number 13. Now we know the water vapor is in the air all the time. Every time the water vapor is there. So then what is why it's raining chapter, we have the raining chapter, and why do we want to know about water vapor? We want to know about this because this water vapor only changes and then we get air. So what is that? That is water cycle. Here there is a picture around. You can see I have written a sun, clouds, lands, water, stream, or a pond, or a river, or a ocean. Anywhere it can be, children. So every day when the sun comes out, it uses sunlight and the heat changes the water into water vapor. As it becomes water vapor, children, you can see the clouds. Small clouds begin to happen. And these small clouds start floating in the air. They start floating in the air. They start floating in the air and they go higher, up. And when they are floating in the air, all 2 or 3 clouds, they join together and become a big cloud. And now what happens? The water drops. As it gets higher, the weather will be very cool. What happens? This water vapor turns into water drops and the cloud becomes very heavy in the air and it cannot float more. Then what happens? It uses the rain. The water drops, the water vapor turns into little drops of water and you can see them falling down to the earth as rain. In some parts we get rain and the rain is back again in the river, stream, pond, ocean, anywhere on the earth, water starts collecting. In some regions, instead of rain, you get snowfall. Because there the water will be turned into ice. The water will get frozen. That is why snowfall happens there. So this is the water cycle. Evaporation. The water changes into evaporation and as it goes again, it becomes condensation happens and again you get the water on the earth. So you have already water on the earth, it changes into vapor changes into clouds, and the clouds when they become heavier, they come down again as a rain and you get water. Water is very precious, children. Please save our water on the earth. Bye. Have a nice day.